Hi there, my name is Brittany Wussick, and I'm an environmental educator on behalf of the GTM Research Reserve. So, the GTM stands for the Guantanamo and Matanzas Rivers. A National Estuarine Research Reserve basically means that we conduct research along the estuary. Now, an estuary is where the rivers meet with the ocean. So, our rivers are the Guantanamo and Matanzas, and that is where they meet with the Atlantic Ocean, here in Northeast Florida. Now, we're located in South Ponte Vedra Beach, and our coastal conservation territory extends all the way up to marine land, which is in Palm Coast, which actually ends up being 76,760 coastal acres of conserved and protected territory. So basically, GTM's mission is to protect natural resources through research. There are a lot of opportunities to gain experience at the GTM Research Reserve. We have high school internships and college internships, and we also have several departments you can gain experience in. So, say you choose to work within the research department. You'd be getting experience working with our monitoring programs, collecting water samples and studying them under microscopes, or even measuring water quality. Say you want to work within the research department, then stewardship department. Then you would be gaining experience with managing the land by controlled burns, invasive species removal, or even marine debris removal. And that is really helpful because that helps a lot of the little sea turtles that are hatched on the GTM Research Reserve territory. Or you can work in the education department and gain experience with educating the public through our several different outreach and educational programs. We host field trips, and we host career fairs, summer camps, and many weekend events as well, educating the general public and students K through 12 throughout our surrounding counties. So with our outreach events and different festivals and environmental events that we participate in, we use different real-life animals as well as for our field trips to instill environmental education. We use corn snakes, such as this one here. Don't worry, he's not venomous, he's a constrictor, and he's native to Florida. We also have real-life horseshoe crabs that we utilize for our programs, as well as our estuary buddies, the diamondback terrapin, a strictly brackish turtle from the estuary. So we have oysters from the estuary that teach everyone that our oysters are really important because they serve as filters for the estuary. And then just also really cool things that can fascinate and draw some attention, such as a dolphin skull and how interesting that their jaws are, and giving them the example of how echolocation works. Or we also have lightning whelks and provide the example of how the life cycle works of these, such as how they begin in an egg casing, such as this, and inside of there are a bunch of tiny little baby lightning whelks. Inside of here, you'll be able to see the little mini-sized versions of these guys. So then we also teach about echinoderms, such as sea stars, and our several different programs within the reserve. We have baleen here from a sei whale, which is one of our endangered baleen whales, but we also, within the GTM Research Reserve, we protect North Atlantic right whales, which are also critically endangered. Now, I would love to answer any other questions that you guys might have. If you would like more internship information, go to gtmnerr.org/internships, and you'll be able to see what internships we have coming up and the deadlines. And also, I will attach my email, and I would love to receive any emails from you guys with any career questions that you might have. And I guess until then, say farewell to my little fellow friend, Corn Snake, and This is Brittany on behalf of DEP and the GTM Research Reserve, signing out. Till next time.